Y'all, has this ever happened to you? Well, it happened to me, and a sister's on a budget. I'm like, what am I gonna do? If I'm gonna have to buy more headphones, then it's got to do everything, okay? So let's get into it. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Levin headset, Bluetooth headset. It says it has, the Levin Bluetooth headset. It says it has AI noise canceling. Let me just start that over, y'all. Things just been going wrong, but you just gotta change it and keep it moving. Okay, so it is the Levin Bluetooth headset. It says it has AI noise canceling, comfort design, and ergonomic design. Okay, all right, and it has USB dongle connection and Bluetooth connection. And the specification, it has a Bluetooth version V5.2. It has a battery capacity of 3.7 volts. The charging time is about 2 hours. Working time is about 65 hours, and talking time about 40 hours. Okay, I was looking for something that could last, and hopefully it will do just that. All right, let's open this box. All right, now let's see what we got in this baby. How y'all doing today? Thank you for stopping by. If you're enjoying this video so far, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, share button, and of course, subscribe. All righty. All right, so first we have our little instruction guide here. It says, I'm reading upside down on our user manual, and of course it's going to have the picture and all the items that comes with it. And as you can see, it has a little docking system, and it has other USB ports as well. Okay, that is a plus for me. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got inside. Of course, it has all the specifications and how you hook up with a computer and a phone. Okay, so let's go ahead. We see, let me see if I can get this out of here. We have our USB dongle there. All right, you can use to hook into your computer. And remember, I'm just seeing this myself too, so I will be figuring this out along with you. Let's take a look at this next. We have, like I said, we have our little, what do you call this, a port system where you can hook up other USBs, outputs, 3.0s, both of those. And I'm assuming that's where your charging input is, and where you can hang your phone to charge. Isn't that amazing? Oh, also, there's an output for USB-C. I hope you were able to see those things I was showing you. Output for USB-C. We have actually 2 USB outputs. Awesome and amazing, right? All right. So let me go ahead and look at this. And we have our cords that have our USB-C. And then we have our USB here. All right. All right, so let's take a look at the headphones, okay? Customers who said that they purchased these before said that these are very comfortable and cushy. They sure feel like it, okay? So here we see our on and off switch. And we go ahead and turn that on. And when you turn it on, I heard the lady say pairing, and the red and blue light starts blinking, which is cool. And we see we have the microphone that is able to rotate, I think, to either side. Yes, it does. It can rotate to either side. And here is where we go ahead and connect our charger right there. And what else? I will have to look at the manual for the directions. I know I have read, oh, here is our mic mute button right there. And over here, it says MFB button. Okay. And I'm gonna have to take a pause and find out what these buttons mean so I can tell you, all right? Y'all, I am excited because this joint does a lot of things, okay? Say, for instance, I'm gonna read this to you. It says how to use the dock, okay? And this is the dock, right? It says simply, it says simply connect it to your PC using the provided USB-C cable, which is this, USB-C cable. And the solid blue LED indicator will confirm it's powered on. The dock provides multiple connectivity options, including 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB-C output ports, like I told you, allowing you to connect various peripherals like dongles, keyboards, mice, hard drives, and USB flash drives simultaneously, okay? Okay. It says, if you only need to charge low current devices such as headsets, you can directly connect the power adapter to the dock. All right. Isn't that amazing? All right. And I spoke to you before about, like, for the headphones connecting to your cell phone. Like I said before, you just click that button on, and then you go into your settings for your cell phone. I can't do that. I'm using it here. Go into your settings for your cell phone, and you look up the name here. It should appear if you are in Bluetooth mode on your cell phone, and then you go ahead and connect it that way. All right, now if you want to pair your headset with your computer, you go ahead and plug the dongle into the USB port of your computer. Then it will flash blue, and then you go ahead and you turn on click your on button to your headset, and then you will hear the headset say pairing. And then once it has finished pairing, it will say your headset is connected, and then the dongle will have a solid blue light. All right, now if you want to go ahead and charge the headset on the dock, you would go ahead and slip it on the dock. You would plug up your USB-C cord here, and then the other end to whatever adapter you have, and go ahead and plug it into your wall. I don't have a plug right here, so I can't really show. Now, if you didn't want to use the dock to charge your headsets, there is also a USB-C plug right there where you can plug it in there and plug it into your charger and plug it into your wall. All right, so you can also charge the headset from the PC. So you would connect your dock to the PC, and then you go ahead and put your headset on the dock, and when it's charging, it will slow blink red light, and then when it's fully charged, it will go to a solid blue light. All right, now like I said, this headset has a lot of functions. So remember I told you the MFB button? That is the multi-function button, okay? All right, so if you push the button, say for instance, you're listening to music. If you click the button once, then it'll play the music. If you push it again, it'll pause the music. All right, and say you want to redial a call, you'll double click the MFB button, and it will dial the last call. Say if you want to do voice dialing, it says press and hold the MFB button for 1 second, then release. If you want to answer the call, single click the MFB button to answer an incoming call. If you want to hang up a call, you single click the button again. If you want to reject the call, press and hold the MFB for 1 second to reject an incoming call. If you want to do audio switching during a call, press and hold the MFB button for 2 seconds to switch between mobile phone and the headset. If there's a third party call coming in, single click the MFB button to answer a new call and hang up the current call. If you double click the MFB to answer the new call and keep the current call. All right, another third-party call. It says during a third-party call, double click to switch between the current call and the reserved call. During a third-party call, single click the MFB to hang up the current call and resume the reserved call. Alrighty, now here is a down volume and here is up volume. And if you want the volume up, you single click the volume up button once. And if you want to go to the next song, you press and hold the volume for 1 second. And if you want the volume down, you single click the volume down button. And the previous song, press and hold the volume down button for 1 second. And of course, if you want to mute, single click the mute button to mute or unmute the microphone. All right, now here's some question that needs to be answered. I just saw that the MFB button cannot be used to answer or end calls on your computer. You would have to use your mouse to do that. So that's kind of unfortunate, but yeah. All right, how you doing? How am I doing? I'm gonna take it that you liking this video if you're still watching at this point. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that share button, and of course go ahead and subscribe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the headset on, and I didn't remember to tell you this part that it is adjustable, as you can see on both sides. And like I said, the mic can go to either side. It also has left and right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and, oh, I can't do that, while I'm talking. Okay, because I'm recording. So I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna hook this up to the headset to see how it sounds to you, okay? All right, so I am back, and yes, they are quite comfy. They're not restrictive at all. So how do I sound? How do I sound? All right, so I have told you a lot about this headset, and I'm sure there's so much more to tell and learn about. So if you find yourself, if you go ahead and you decide that you like these, you want to try this headset yourself, I will leave a link in the description box so you can get one for yourself. All right. And if you find out that you have some questions, go ahead and come on back here and ask me those questions, and I will try to help answer them for you. Now, as I said, if you like my video, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Y'all, I had to come back. I had put all my stuff away, stopped recording, and I started listening to some music. Okay, I had to come back just to tell y'all that they sound good, okay? Bass bumping.